Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Front Yard Boys, and today I'll show you how to put an exhaust on a Honda S2000. First, check up your car. There are three 14mm bolts that you will need to remove at the cat converter. Sometimes when the bolt that's connected from the cat back to the cat is very stubborn, it's probably easier to remove the whole cat itself and deal with the whole exhaust once it's all out. Once you've removed your old exhaust, connect the new exhaust to the cat converter. Make sure you have a gasket in between the two. You can buy one from your local parts shop or make one, like we have. At this point, you would have seen us mark out the shape of the gasket, but if you were smart, you'd have enough memory space to record it, not like me. Once you've assembled the exhaust together, it's time to mount the exhaust back to the car. On an S2000, there are rubber hangers that you need to mount the exhaust to. Mount the hooks on the exhaust to the mounting points on the car. It's easy if you spray the rubber hangers with WD-40 before hooking on the exhaust. And don't forget to bolt the exhaust back up and screw the O2 sensor. And once you've done that, you should be done. Thanks for watching.
Ooh.